To create a sliced effect on text in Photoshop, it's quite easy to do. In the workspace, I've added a background layer. Use the Type tool, and then type the text you want to add. Enlarge the text size layer, and adjust the position. In the next step, I'll use the lasso tool to make a selection. After making selection, create a layer mask on the text layer. After that, duplicate the text layer. On the text layer copy, press Ctrl+I to invert the selected layer. Move the text so that the text looks different. If the position has been set, create a new layer. Hold down the Ctrl, then left-click on the text copy layer to select it. After making a selection, use the brush tool. Choose the brush mode according to what you need. Set the brush size. I'll use black for the color of the brush. On the brush opacity, I lowered it to 60%. If everything is set, start rubbing the bottom of the selected area. If the shape of the brush size looks too big, delete it using the eraser tool. And if the brush still looks too thick, reduce the opacity value on the layer. And the result will look like this. That's how to create a sliced effect on text in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.